let us go through the integrative process. Since it's the first LEED category, it's short, it's simple, and doesn't need a whole module for you to understand. Typically, the way a project is designed and executed conventionally is when the owner buys a piece of land, goes to the architect, and then they start designing. Then they bring engineers on board to develop the process and to take it into a more developed stage. Well, the integrative process aims to synergize and integrate all the main team members together from the start. The way this is done is through a workshop called Charrette, when the owner brings all the main members, architects, engineers, commissioning agents, contractors, and similar, early as possible. The first is a prerequisite, and this prerequisite is only for healthcare. So the requirements are the following. First, the OPR, the Owner Project Requirements. To create a health mission statement that revolves around a triple bottom line. Remember, here we're talking about healthcare projects only. To create a preliminary rating goal with 4 key members. Then, you should create an action plan that showcases the LEED targeted certification, like silver, gold, or platinum, highlighting the credits the team will target and which credits they will not, identifying who is responsible for which requirement. Also, the LEED Charrette workshop should be made to integrate all the strategies from start to reduce the future errors. Whereas the integrative process is a credit and not a prerequisite. It's suitable for all types of projects and not only healthcare. The intent of this credit is to create high performance and cost-effective projects as early as possible. And to achieve that credit, you have 2 main points to target. First, you have energy related, and then we're going to talk about water related systems. So let's start with energy. In the discovery phase, you need to create an energy model. It has to be in the schematic phase. Sometimes they call it a simple box, with the intent to target at least 2 strategies. You can choose from the following: either site conditions, massing orientation, envelope, lighting levels, thermal comfort, plug and process load, pragmatic, and operation parameters. All the concept design elements that can extremely change the outcome of the energy uses of a project. You just have to target 2 strategies, create a simulation, create that energy model, and prove that you're gonna achieve that credit. Sometimes just rotating the project, just the massing, can reduce the energy heating or cooling loads immensely. So that's why it's so important to start this as soon as possible in the concept phase. After you have assessed 2 strategies, you need to document the analysis. You have to document site program, form, envelope, and downsizing of building systems. Choose any 2 of the following strategies. This is the BOD, the basis of design, what the team should do to achieve the OPR, the Owner Project Requirements. Now for the second point, water-related systems. In the discovery phase, you need to perform a water budget analysis that reduces indoor and outdoor water usage. Also process water and supply sources. Don't worry too much about this, we're gonna dive deeper in the water efficiency category. As for the implementation, now the discovery is finished. In the implementation, you should demonstrate at least 1 on-site water supply source reduction from plumbing, sewage, rain collection, landscaping, and roofing systems.